Okay, so in this final tutorial, we are going to simulate op-amp based circuit using LTSpice schematic. And before we do that, let's go here and let's see our VS741 model. And it is here, VS741, and extension is .301. You must note it, and it is a sub-circuit based model. And we will be attaching this model here in our LTSpice schematic. The name of sub-circuit is VS741. Okay, so you'll see it's really easy to do it in schematic. Double click, new schematic, file, save as, uh, inverting amp, and let us save it in our folder LTSpice summer. Save, and let me grab an op-amp, and it is located here. Op-amp symbol, basically there are various kind of op-amps. These are company built, but this is but our op-amp is not this LT10012, rather it is MU741. So what I will do, I will grab a symbol of op-amp from here or from here or whatever. Okay, so let's grab a symbol from here and let us see what happens. Press escape, or let's use this. Sorry, what is that? It's already written many things. Its value is written. So this is not the symbol we are looking for. Let me again go here and let's grab this op-amp 2. Op-amp 1 is ideal. There is no power source. Op-amp 2 is the symbol, basic operation amplifier symbol. Okay, so this one is the symbol. This one we should take op-amp 2 and place it here. Okay, and let's connect the supply voltage. Let's go back here by left clicking and let's attach two voltage sources, voltage 1. Okay, so let's go here, okay. And then one more voltage source here. Press escape, let's grab it and let's take it here, V1. Press Ctrl R and place it here, and let's place it here. Let me grab a ground, let me put it here, let me put it here. Left click, press escape, and let us connect them through wire. So we connected it. That's what we will do. Press escape. So now everything is okay. Let's rename it. It is VDD, the positive power supply, and you may not rename it, but well, I used to do it. Let's call it PSS, and this value is plus 12, and this value is minus 12. So rather than writing minus 12, what you can do, you can rotate it by 180 degrees so that this minus sign goes here. Okay, otherwise you need to put minus 12. Okay, and let me scale it, and let me draw so an inverting amplifier. So it will be here, and there will be one more resistor here. So press escape, and then there will be a voltage source, or I can copy and paste from here. This is us for copying things, and make a rectangle around this and put it here. Press escape, and then let me do the wirings. Let me go here with left click, 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 and then let me grab a ground from here. Then left click, left click, left click, left click, and that is, I think, it. And let me label nets. So this is my out node, and this is my in. Press escape, right click, type it in here, press OK, and this voltage source is V in. So let me call it V in, and the value is not -12. Now I want to put a sinusoidal source here. So you just place your mouse here and then right click and go to advanced, and then here we have sine wave. So in LTS Spice, sine is also SINE. DC offset, we already know the DC value is 0. Amplitude, let us take it as 1 volt, and frequency as 1k, 1 kilohertz, and press OK. So now it is sine wave Vn of amplitude 1 volt around 0 time axis, and then this value is say 1k. Left click and type it 2k here, and anything else? No. So now one more thing, this is just a symbol, right? I need to attach my model. So how I do, I go to Spice analysis. I don't see any dot include button here, so I will go to here, Spice corrective, dot include new A741. I think this was a name, and then dot extension, and press OK. Now if you go here in your, so I'm in the folder, it is new A741 indeed, and .301 file. When you double click it, the name of subcircuit is new A741. So let me come here, and this, let us edit it and write it new A741. So whatever is the circuit sub-circuit name, you should replace this op-amp 2 with the same subcircuit name. So it is, if it is LM741, so you can write you should write LM741. Whatever is written here in the name of subcircuit, the same thing will appear here. Okay, now let us do the transient simulation. Go to Spice analysis, and this time I'm doing transient analysis, and my frequency is 1k. So it corresponds to time period of 1 millisecond, and let's see 5 time period of this wave. So 5m. So the stop time is 5 millisecond. You can see here dot tran 0 to 5 millisecond. It will simulate from 0 to 5 milliseconds. Press OK. Don't bother about other options. We'll talk about them later on. And just left click here in this window, save it, and run this simulation. Well, so it's running, and let me click here, left click, and left click. So you can see it is inverting amplifier, similar to what we did on the, in the netlist tutorial, and the gain is -2. And if you want to plot this voltage, so you can see it's around 0 because of the virtual short. So this is at virtual ground, and you can delete any waveform by just clicking here. Okay, so I click this, but I'm not able to see the Caesar here when I put it here. Why? Because this window is not active. This window is active. I will see Caesar here. So if I really wanted to delete this, I will have to activate this window and then select Caesar. If you wanted to delete anything from here, so you need to first activate this window by left clicking, and then so that this plot setting appears here, and then click on the Caesar. Now you will see the Caesar. Then left click, and that is it. Press escape to come out of this mode. You can maximize these two windows. And what did I do? Oh my goodness. So I kept the Caesar here, and I clicked somewhere. So my op-amp is gone. So I will go here and I will undo so that my op-amp is back. This is very important thing that you have to keep in mind. Press escape. So that, okay, so Caesar is already gone. So save it and see what happens if I save this. Save, and let us go here. So now you can see this inverter when the raw file is here. Okay. Well, so this way we can do the simulations of op-amp. There are more op-amps, so you can connect. For example, if there is one more op-amp, so you can go here. Sorry. And you can get one more symbol for op-amp 2 from here, op-amp 2, but I won't do that. I can copy it from here. Okay, You can copy it from here, but you will again have to connect this to escape. So you will again have to connect power supply and everything. What you can do, you can just click here and click this wiring so that both 12-volt source comes here. And similarly this connection. Other way is to uh, see its name. So press escape, and when you put your mouse here, so this node name is N002. So if you name it N002 or whatever the name is, the name of this net is, and you place it here, so this means that these two nodes are same, and this means that these two are connected. Although you don't see any wire here, but if you name it the same name, you give it the same name as this node, then this means that they two are connected. This is important point in a spice that you have to keep in mind. So wherever the node names are same, they are basically connected internally. Even if you don't see anywhere, they will be always connected. Okay. So well, this was a brief tutorial on simulation of op-amp based circuit in LTS Spice. Later I will add some miscellaneous videos that you may see watch on YouTube. Thank you.